This is the eighth sum in the exercise 1.1. Look at the question. For a set A, the A cross A contains 16 elements and two of its elements are 1, 3 and 0, 2. Find the element of A. So they are given that A cross A contains 16 elements. So A cross A contains 16 elements. So A is a one set, A is another set. So the set multiplied by itself only. So A cross A is equal to 16, which means what? In the set A we have only 4 elements only. So look at here, A cross A is equal to 16. A cross A is equal to 16 element. So 16. So A cross A is equal to 16. What does it mean? 4 cross 4 is equal to only 16. So in the A set, we have only 4 elements. So what are the 4 elements? They are mentioning also. They are mentioning 1, 3 and 0, 2. This is one of the element. So which means what? There are no other B set, just A set only. So A into A. So all the elements inside of the A is also given there. So 1, 3 and 0, 2. All the elements are different. Which means what? So all the elements in the A set only. So 1, 3, 0, 2. Suppose 1, 2 and 2, 2, which means what? A elements is just 1, 2 only, because A cross A means 2 cross 2, so also equal to 2, 2. So what is that? For a set A cross A contains 16 elements. So A cross A contains 16 elements. So which means what? 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So we know that A has only 4 elements. So now look at here, 1302. So 4 values are different only. So that is a clearly answer. Yeah, we can say that we can say that openly, this is the answer. Yeah, and then ninth question. Let A and B be two sets such that number of A is equal to 3, number of B is equal to 2. Yeah, look at clear. Let A and B be the two sets. So there are two sets. One is called A, another one is called B. And number of A is equal to 3, number of B is equal to 2. What does it mean? So this is my A set, this is my B set, suppose. Okay. So in the A set I have how many values? 3 values. So in the A set I have 3 values. So in the B set I have how many value? 2 value, because number of A is equal to 3, number of B is equal to 2. And also they are given one condition, this condition. So x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1 are in the A cross B. Find A and B. Yeah, that's it. This is our question. So I have to find A value and B value from this one. How can I suppose to find A value and B value from this? Yeah, look at here. This is for example for your understanding, not in the sum. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3. A is equal to some 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm going to find A cross B. A cross B means what? First of all, look at it, A cross B. So A is the first element. So I have to write A values 1, 2, 3 first, and then multiplication, and then we have to write B value in the second term. Second. So how to multiply one set to another set? That is a Cartesian product. I already said that. Yeah. So that is a Cartesian product. So we have to multiply in the ordered pairs only. So 1, 4 and then 1, 5 and then 1, 5 and then 1, 6. So completed, and then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 6 and then 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. This is how we have to multiply this one set into another set. Yeah, this is my answer. So now this is my A cross B answer. So look at here clearly. What are the first values? 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 3. So no other values. So in the first value I have 1, 2, 3 only. So now look at the A value 1, 2, 3. So the first value is A value only. Why the first value is A value only? Because A cross B, which means what? A in the first place. So all the first value is A value. All the second value in the place is B value. Now look at here, B cross A. So I have to write the B set first and then A set second. So how can I suppose to multiply one set to another set? 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3. So I just found that this is my B cross A value. But B cross A, so B is in the first term. So the what are the first value in the 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5 and 6, 6, 6. So these are the first values. So 4, 5, 6 are the B values only. Because why? So in the left hand side I have B first term. So look at here, B value is 4, 5, 6. Same process I'm going to substitute here. So they are given x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1. So what is the value of this one is A cross B only. So they are given A cross B is equal to x comma 1 and y comma 2 and z comma 1. Correct? So look at here, A is the first value. So all the first elements in this bracket is A only. So x, y, z are A value. So x, y, z, there are three variables. So look at here, number of A is equal to 3. Is it correct? Correct. And then second value is 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 1 is in the second value only. So 1, 1. So both 1. I can write this as just only 1, 1 and then 2. So 1 comma 2 is our answer. Look at here, this is a B value. So number of B is equal to 2. So I can write any of the two numbers. Suppose 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா I can write this as just only 2 comma 3. So this is our answer, easy method. Okay. Next, this is a 1.2 exercise. Note down clearly, this is a 1.2. Yeah, this is 1.2. Okay, this is a simple one. Write the values of f at minus 4, 1, minus 2, 7, 0. So what does it mean? We have to write the values for the functions, that functions at that minus 4 value and 1 value, minus 2 value, 7 value, 0 value. Okay, and they are given totally 5 functions. So these are all 5 functions: minus x plus 4, x plus 4, x square minus x minus x square, 0. There are totally 5 functions. So how can I use the first function, second function, third function, fourth function, fifth function? Because of this interval only. This interval only. Suppose the x value is minus infinity to minus 3 இருந்துச்சுன்னா we can use the first function, and the next value is minus 3, yeah, from minus 3 and minus 2 இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா we can write the second function. So don't understand means, for example, suppose x plus 1, this is my function, x plus 1 is my function, and I am going to write one interval. one interval. So which means what? First of all, you have to find this x value. What is x value? X. So what is x value? X value is greater than 4 and less than 6. So x value is larger than 4 and smaller than 6. What is the larger than 4 and smaller than 6? The answer will be 5. So is it okay? Suppose I give x is equal to 5 means you have to use this function x plus 1 function. Yeah, so write the values of f at 5. If irunchina question, write the values of f at 5 means irunchina you have to use this function. So same here, look at here. So first one is -4. So I want to check that where that -4 in the interval, where this -4 in that interval. So -4, we already know that the graph. So this is a graph 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and then this is -1, -2, -3, and -4, so on. So look at that, where is the -4? So -4 is the first term only. So because minus infinity, x is larger than minus infinity and less than or equal to -3. So -4 is, so this is a -3 and this is a -4. So -4 is smaller than -3 only, correct? So we have to use the first one. So this is my first formula, function. So -x plus 4. So in the place of x, I have to put this -4. So -4, already here minus only. So minus into minus plus 4. So 4 plus 4. So answer will be 8. That's it. And then look at the second one. So what is the second one is 1. So look at this interval. Where is the 1? Look at your third one. Third one is, last answer is x is less than 1. X is less than 1 means what? X is less than 1 means before that one value varakina. So till before that one value. So till before that one value. If I put x less than or equal to 1 means before the you have to include that one also. So listen to the x is less than 1 means x value is before that one value. Till before that one value was 0. So x value is up to 0 only, not 1. So we can't include one value. Suppose less than or equal to, that means what? We have to include that one also. So look at the third property, less than 1 means. So less than 1 means there are no equal to. So we can't include 1. But look at here, that is 1 less than or equal to. So we have to include that 1. So 1 value is here only. So this is our function x minus x square. So x minus x square. So what values we have to put here? That one value only, because we have to find the one value in that. So 1 minus 1 square. So 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So 0 is our answer. Same, next one is -2. -2. So look at here. Same here. So less than -2, which means what? Not here equal to. So they are mentioning only less than -2, which means what? Before that -2 only. So before that -2 means what? -3. Up to -3 only we have to include. So we can't include that -2 value. So suppose that if they mention less than or equal to -2 means we have to include that -2 also. So second one is not correct. So next we have to come the third one. So look at the third one, -2 less than or equal to. So minus 2 less than or equal to. So minus 2 less than or equal to, which means what? We have to include this minus 2. So this is my function. So x square minus x is my function. I have to put what value in the x? That minus 2 value. So minus 2 whole square and minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4 minus 2. So answer will be, yeah, minus of this minus 2. It will be plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Same here, 7. So at the point 7, here 7. So there are any less than or equal to 7? No. So the highest term is less than 7 only. Less than 7 means what? Up to 6 only. We can't include the 7. So there are the no 7 values. So no 7 value means we have to take this otherwise function. So they are given that up to 7 value only, which means what? 6 values only we have to include. So otherwise we have to this function, that this answer is straightly we put 0 and then 0. So in the graph, where are the 0 will be? This is here. So here minus 1, this is plus 1, correct? So this is my zeros function. So minus 2 here and plus 1. So 0 is in the after minus 2 before 1. So look at here, after minus 2 before 1 only we have the 0 value. So what is the 0 function? Is x square minus x. So x square minus x, we have to put the x value into 0 only. So 0 minus 0, so answer will be 0. This is a very easiest one. Just to look at the problem and try to solve.